Welcome to my channel. I am here to introduce another educational course to you. This course is suitable for people who want to earn income through affiliate marketing using Instagram. For beginners who want to learn the steps of setting up, creating content, and marketing on Instagram. And for experienced marketers who want to learn new and effective methods to increase sales and engagement. This course, with over 12,000 students and a 4.4 rating, is a successful and practical one. Its current price is about €12. By purchasing this course, you can have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The duration of this course is 2 hours and 30 minutes, and after completing it, you will also receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn how to create an affiliate marketing landing page. How to set up automated emails for affiliate marketing. Steps to creating and setting up an Instagram account. How to find viral content that is proven to go viral. Secret hack to boost your engagement and go viral. Best ways to make money with Instagram affiliate marketing. Now I want to give you this exciting course for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to us and add this video to your watch list. Now simply open your browser and in Google search engine type the address discountedcourseninja.com. In the results shown to you, click on this link. Make sure the website address is exactly the same as shown here, and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking on the link, you will go to the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons and use the search section to find your desired course. Also, in the category section, you can search for your favorite topics. Here you can find our target course. Now, to get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click on the Get the Coupon button. The course will be available to you for free, but note that the coupon has a time limit. So now, with just a few clicks, you were able to access this course for free and legally. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to us and share it with your friends.